Hello guys, this one is just going to be a quick update or say quick unboxing. The reason is I just got my new immersive content creation device. As you can see, small boxes, and it's actually the XReal Beam Pro, and you can see that on here it says XReal Beam Pro. Now you might see this on internet already. It looks like a phone, which actually is not. It's just an immersive or say spatial video capture device that in the form factor of a phone. And in the front of the box already says the story, the major thing, 2 separated lenses. So I want to unbox it and give you a quick update on what it is and what I'm going to do with it. So there's some sealing strips on the top. I'm going to just remove it. Before getting in, we can have a look on the back. So it has all the names on it. It says it's XReal Beam Pro and 128 gigabytes Wi-Fi. So there's no SIM card, there's no cellular function, so it's definitely not a mobile phone. It's more like iPod Touch back in the days. And the product number X4000, maybe just for some awesome nomenclature purpose, like 5000 HAL. So once it's opened this drawer-like shape, oh, it's a stop. I can't get it all the way out. Interesting. But already sees the phone. So first thing you see, 2 major lenses. Let's take it out. I don't have a top-down camera, so that's why I do a very quick unboxing like this. It's actually hefty than I think. So if I remove this protecting film from where, how do I do it? So I'm not in the style of tearing all the films in many other unboxing videos. Other people do. I always try to keep it intact and make it as intact as possible. But looks like the glue here is a little bit hard to do. Okay, here we are. Let's just slide the thing out from this end. Can I do it? Oh, here we are. It is out. So here it is. That's some white plastic mobile phone, but on the shape, a wedge shape. I'm not sure if you can see. Very like the iPhone 5C. It says XReal on the top, on the bottom. So what's really outstanding of this thing is you see those 2 lenses here, right? And if you remember, I've been talking about using mobile device to shooting spatial videos. And the one thing I was doing is like using an iPhone. But the difference is, if you look at this is my iPhone, and this is this device, that the lenses on the iPhone is very close to each other if you're using those 2 for spatial video capturing. But they are much separate apart. So I think if I read the data correct, those lenses are identical to each other, so they're exactly the same. Unlike on iPhone, one use ultra-wide camera to crop in, that one use the main sensor, so the images are a little bit different. This one's exactly the same. The other thing is, because it's separated, if you compare, it's quite close to human eye. I think like interpopular distance of human is around 65 to 70 millimeters. This is 50. So the stereo effect of the video, of the spatial video that coming out of this should be much better comparing to the iPhone. So I'm gonna figure that out later when in all the tests. But now that's pretty much the thing. So, and if you pay attention to the details, that's down here there are 2 USB-C ports. So actually this thing is not only just for capturing spatial video, it's also designed to be a portal or the computational device for the XReal sunglasses, like I don't know how to call it, MR, XR. They're using names not in the correct way, so it's more like a MR device. I would say MI device, sunglasses like, and this is actually the battery as well as the computational unit for that glass. That's why one is for the glass, one is for the charging. But I don't have that glass, and I'm not intended to get one of that because I think it does not provide enough FOV and immersiveness of a VR headset. If one day I get hands-on, I'm gonna compare and try that out, but not for today, not for the near future. What I get this for is purely for the purpose that capturing immersive content, and because of the lens setup, I wanted to use its capability to capture more realistic light and more immersive content, more better produced spatial videos, and it's dedicated to that. So that's pretty much for today. That's a quick unboxing and some introduction into what it is. And it's Android based, so I'm not going to show any UI because it's just like another Android phone, if you think it that way. its uniqueness will be represented in the immersive or the spatial video that is captured and it's produced. And I want to make some more well-produced content rather than just point and shoot and upload somewhere. So I will jump into those things in the following episodes. So make sure you subscribe and follow my channel for upcoming contents, more about spatial video production, as well as my thoughts on immersive content and something like this, like some creator device that can be in the hands of everyone, how they work and how those things going to work together to help us and enhance the entire workflow so everyone can create more and more well-tailored and high-quality immersive content. All right, thank you for quick listening and tuning in. Until then, see you in next one.